we want to try to breathe in between these two places in our body. Now in Taoism, the sacrum is a very important bone because it roots down or connects most closely to the earth energy, whereas the cranium or the skull can connect upward to the heavenly or intelligent energy. So we're going to try to breathe in between those two places. First, we need to kind of stimulate or create some awareness of our sacrum. So you might just want to start moving from side to side, and you're going to feel yourself on your sitting bones. And just above your sitting bones, you can kind of feel that your hips are moving and they are massaging or connecting to your sacrum. And now with your hands, you want to feel your sacrum. So either tapping, lightly tapping, or just stimulating that bone with some light circles and pressure. And then pause for a moment, close your eyes, and see if you can feel your sacrum. See if you can feel that bone that you were just tapping or touching. And you want to start to root. Imagine you could root that bone down into the earth. At the same time, begin to lift up on your perineum, so your pelvic floor muscle. Think of your bathroom muscles. We're drawing up on the pelvic floor to sensitize this area, to give us a little lift. But as you're drawing up on it, think of it allowing you to have the control to root down energetically into the earth. And just take a few deep breaths here. Just focusing on lifting up on your perineum or pelvic floor and rooting down through your sacrum into the earth. You want to try to connect here. You want to imagine you had a tail that came from your sacrum and could go down into the earth. You really want to try to feel that connection and that pull. And once you feel that, then we're going to sensitize our cranium. So just fingertips, just lightly tapping on the base of your skull. Nice little taps here. And once you've done that, then close your eyes again. See if you can feel or connect with any lingering sensation through the base of your skull or your cranium. And this, we want to connect upward. You want to feel as if you're being pulled up very lightly by a pole. Maybe connecting with the North Star. You feel that gentle magnetic pull upward. So it's an energetic lift from the base of the skull and a grounding down through the sacrum. And start to come into your breath now. So nice steady inhale and exhale through the nose. And now see if you can start your breath just in front of the sacrum, so deeper into the pelvis. Visualize that curve-shaped bone of the sacrum, and you're starting your breath just inside it, and it's rising up on the inhale. Goes all the way up the spine, connecting to the top of your cranium or skull, and then you exhale back down. So you're keeping your mind focused on a few things. Trying to breathe inside that sacrum, following the breath all the way up towards the base of the skull or your cranium, and then back down. At the same time, you're rooting down through your sacrum into the earth energy, and you're being pulled upward from your cranium or skull by the intelligent heavenly energy. And this breathing exercise can really calm you down. We're stimulating your parasympathetic nervous system, which allows you to rest and digest. And also, cranial sacral breath, or the cranial sacral therapy, has been used in the field of osteopathy. And and has been known to create calm in patients and treat all sorts of ailments. There's an actual rhythm that pulses. Your cranial sacral rhythm is known to pump the cerebral spinal fluid up and down your spine. So if you want to add one more layer, just visualizing your spine, your spinal cord being pumped with that healthy fluid, cerebral spinal fluid, further connecting your pelvis all the way up your brainstem and into your brain. When you've completed a few minutes of this, then feel free to lie down on your back or rest in a seated meditation.